Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So if you want to get this mic icon above your avatar, and how can you get this mic, or how to get the voice chat? The voice chat is basically the chat in which you can use voice to chat with anyone. Fine. So how to chat with anyone by using your microphone on your device, whether you are on PC or a mobile. So to get this, guys, voice chat, you need to complete some requirement. Well, the first one is you have to open your phone, and now you go to three dots. In three dots, you have to go to settings. In setting, you have to go to account info. In account info, first of all, first step to get voice chat is to verify your age. If you haven't verified your age, you won't see that options though, or you won't find the microphone option in the privacy. So first step is to verify your age, and you can see that you have to choose your birthday whenever your birthday comes, and just add the date and year. Once you choose the year, once you confirm that this is my birthday, then you have to tap on the verify my age button. It will first of all, it will open a window, and it will ask you to basically prepare a valid ID. And in valid ID, basically you can have a driving license, a government issue ID that verify your age. So you have to click on this restart session, and it will ask you to open this process with any browser. So you need to know complete this process, you need a mobile. So make sure to use a mobile, with because mobile has a better camera compared to PC. So once the page is open, it's taking a time, might be to my internet. So I've so first of all, it will ask you to upload. First of all, it will ask you to choose the country. Once you choose the country, it will ask the ID with respect to the country. So I have choose my country, United States, and then after that, it will ask me to upload one of the options. So I'm going to choose driving license. In driving license, you have to click on this or tap on this camera icon, and now it will ask me to uh, upload the front of the ID. So let's tap on it and click on this or tap on this, use this of photo. Now it will ask you to upload the back of ID. So let's select it. So I can't show you the whole so due to security, so I can't show you the my ID, of course. And now you have to tap on this use this photo again. So once you're done with uh, the ID, now it will ask you to close the selfie. So I have already verified my ID with the Roblox. So I'm not going to show you again. So I'll show you my account is verified with my age is verified in Roblox. So once you upload your selfie, your age will be verified. The congratulation will be appear, message will be appear on the screen on your mobile. Once you verify your age, now if you go to privacy, let me show you. If you go to the privacy, just open roblox.com. And if I go to settings, if I go to privacy, let me show you my age is verified first. Now you can see that my age is verified. You can see my age is verified already. This is my different account. And now you have to open privacy options. And now if you open, now you can see that these two options will be added after verifying the age. The first one is microphone. The second one is camera. The microphone is used to chat with the voice, and the camera is used to animate your avatar with your movement. So once you enable these two options by tapping on this toggle button, once you enable, now if you open a game, and that supports microphone and a camera as a communication, just tap on this, click on it, the Roblox icon, and choose both options, and just enable both options. And now you can see that my face is tracking with my voice, and I can use my microphone to animate with anyone. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can get this voice chat on Roblox mobile. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.